So this particular video is to actually help our teachers to understand how to upload their examination on EDUVATE CBT. So they are going to first of all start by logging into their teacher's account. So once they log into their teacher's account, they will head down to create examination. Yes. So in the course of creating the examination, they can just come and let's say we want to have computer science for let's say JSS 1. Yes. Then they will go and select the subject and look for the particular subject, or if there's not, they can select others. So once they click on it, they would I'll make use of this particular class because it's a class that I've created already, which I would also still show us how to do that in another video entirely. That's for the admin. So this particular place, I would then come to schedule the examination. So let me schedule it for 3:30 p.m. today, and let's say it closes 5:30 p.m. today. So after that, I'm done with it. We leave it at West African time, not UTC. Then we go to create examination. Then in this particular place, make sure that the number of questions you are selecting matches the number of questions you are uploading. Yes. So there's a particular format. This is how the template actually looks like. This is the format of how it looks like. Then if you look at it, there's a teacher manual and there's a walkthrough video. Then you can download the templates. So once you download the templates, you are going to actually be able to edit it and fix your question. But to be on a more fatter side, let's say that you have your question in maybe Microsoft Word or the likes, you can just go down to AI and output and upload it and tell it that what I want you to generate the questions for me in this particular Excel format that I just downloaded, and automatically it will sort it out and help you do it. So this is the question. Let me upload it. So I've uploaded it. Now I want to click on it. Now what do we notice? We notice that it has what? It has created everything based on the answer and everything that is inserted into it. So it has been created automatically. So if once you do that, you just have publish your examination. Then once they click on publish, it will be available to the students of that particular exam. So let me go to a student's account. Yeah, a student account. So let me have available examination. Now you see that it is not yet open because the time is still 3:37. So the moment it becomes open, then they will be able to take the examination. So this is just the run through of how the teachers can actually upload their question. So this is how the Excel sheet looks like by the time the teachers actually do it. They will be able to see their questions, then a hint. Maybe they want the students will not be able to see the hint, but however, after they finish their assignment and the examination, the answer would not be automatically uploaded to them. Let me check show us. So you see that the result access is locked in the my exams part. So if they want to actually unlock it, they will just click on here. That is if they want the student to see their answers immediately. But if they don't want them to see it immediately, then they will just make use of it, just upload it and get it done. So this is how teachers can be able to schedule their examination. Thank you very much.